Hi guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to arrange two monitors. Okay, uh, these scenarios come to your desktop or your laptop whenever you have two monitors or more than two monitors. So in this case, I'm showing that there is my laptop is connected and there is two external monitors. So how to arrange monitors? It is very simple. Simply right click, then go to display settings. Sorry, before that you must identify your usage. You need to simply duplicate those displays. Otherwise, whenever in some kind of office there is displays, first one is it is showing for operator, second one is showing for the viewer who are come to your office. So they can see important details like they can verify their names, address, or any other details we are input in correctly. So in that case we need to duplicate displays 1 and 2. So in other case, in normally use, we are one screen we are playing games, second screen we can read YouTube comments or live comments. Okay, so otherwise we are in editors. Once we are editor page, second one is result page. In video editing, that's also good because we will get a full screen view of that editing. So how to do that? It is very simple. You can simply press Windows key and P. Okay, then you can get this pop-up. Here you can simply select which settings you need. You can simply click on duplicate, then the displays will be duplicate, like same display whatever you're doing, it is showing the two displays. Second option is extended display. Okay, you can select that extended display, then it will be show three desktop setups. Like your in laptop, you have laptop screen and a monitor screen and another monitor screen. So that settings, the whenever you select your purpose like duplicate or extended, then right click on your desktop, go to display settings. Okay, then you can see how many display if you have, it will be show here. Actually I have three display. This is my lap, you can see here, this is my external monitors and I have my laptop display also. I turned off that laptop display because of I don't using that, because I don't have a space for that. So how to turn off laptop display? In these settings, go to display, then you can see first option, select a display to view or change its settings. Click on that drag and drop menu. So here you can see there is three displays: display 1, display 2, display 3, and display 3 is internal display. Okay, so select your internal display and there is an option remove display from desktop. You can simply click here and turn on these settings, then your laptop display will be turned off. Okay, so back to the settings. Here you can see now it is only showing 1 and 2. Okay, and whenever you are connecting multiple monitors, the desktop or laptop cannot understand which side is that. So in my case, starting time it is like this. Actually my two displays as here and here is my second display. Okay, so whenever I try to move this pointer to this side, that's not work because here is the settings, display 2 is here. So in actually my display is here, but this settings, display arrangement settings, display is here. So I need to move this display to right side for getting left side display. Okay, so that is irritating. So you can simply drag like this to the left side, then you can simply move like this. Okay, some people are using multiple monitors like bottom and top, so they can simply put those display which side you need, then you can use like this. So normally people are doing that, they are disconnected the HDMI cables and change the connections, then also you can change that showing types. Okay, but actually you can simply do that from here, like arrangement different sides like bottom, top, left, right, at anywhere. Okay, if you have more motors like 6 or 8, you can simply put like this. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. I think in this video if you are learned that how to manage displays. So and also if we need to take any monitors like 1 or 2 as your main monitor. Click on that. This is my main monitor, so I click here and click here to make this monitor as main display. You need to second one as your display. You can simply click here and not doing that, then click here, then accept the request, keep changes, then it will be select as main display. So what is main display? And main display also only show this kind of desktop applications. Okay, that is main display. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will do that. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. And sorry for my bad English. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.